At Scopito, we work a lot with AI fault detection. Scopito is a data management platform for inspection images and reporting, and we have multiple awards. To get the best results, our artificial intelligence, or AI, is customized on a per-client basis. For instance, a case study of a large utility with 1 million assets needs to analyze up to 3 million images. Using human manpower, that would take up to 102 weeks. That is, if he or she doesn't sleep. Scopito AI can complete the job in just 3 weeks. With this many images, having a clear overview of your asset's health can be really challenging. This is why Scopito is dedicated to giving our clients the full overview at every level. If you want to learn more about us and what we do, go to Scopito.com and read this article or contact us directly now.